You've probably heard about the AI arms race, right? Well, this is a different kind of fight. Today, we're going to talk about a new tool called OpenAnt, and its mission is, well, pretty fascinating. It's an AI that was built to solve a problem that was created by other AIs.
And that really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? When it comes to cybersecurity, is AI a friend or a foe? The real answer is, it's both. You see, AI is giving defenders these unbelievably powerful new tools, but at the exact same time, it's arming the attackers with weapons that are, frankly, kind of scary.
This quote right here, it just nails the new reality we're living in. We're not talking about a slow drip of new threats anymore. Nope. We are facing an explosion of potential security holes, and they're being discovered by AIs every single day.
Okay, so let's dig into the problem itself. This is an issue that's been born directly out of this new AI era. And honestly, it's putting a massive amount of pressure on the people who actually build the software that we all use.
All right, here's the real kicker. AI tools have gotten so good at scanning code that they're just flagging thousands upon thousands of potential security flaws. Now, for a developer, especially someone volunteering on an open source project, this is just a deafening amount of noise. Forget a needle in a haystack. This is like trying to find one specific needle in a giant mountain range of haystacks. You can imagine it's causing some serious burnout.
And this is exactly where the OpenAnt scanner comes in. It was built to solve this one specific problem. It's an open source tool, and its whole mission is to slice right through all that noise and find the threats that actually matter.
So, what is it exactly? Well, OpenAnt is an open-source vulnerability scanner that uses a large language model, an LLM, to hunt for security holes. But, and this is the key difference, its whole purpose is to find verified flaws. See, the goal isn't just to flag everything that could be an issue, it's to pinpoint the things that are an issue. That way, it cuts down on all those dreaded false positives.
And if you look at its features, you can really see the project's DNA. I mean, yeah, it's open source, it's on GitHub, that's great. But the real story is that its mission is just baked right into its core. Use powerful AI to give super accurate results to the open source community, the very people who need it the most.
Okay, so how in the world does it get such high accuracy? This is where things get really, really clever. OpenAnt uses this two-stage process that it calls detect, then attack.
Probably the easiest way to think about it is like a home security system, right? The detect part is like your motion sensor. It goes off if anything moves. But, you don't want the alarm screaming every time a cat walks by. So that's why you have a second system, maybe a camera, to verify if it's a real intruder. That verification step, that's OpenAnt's attack phase.
So in stage 1, OpenAnt scans the code and finds something that, looks like it could be a vulnerability. But then, and here's the cool part, in stage 2, it doesn't just stop. It actually tries to exploit that potential weakness. It simulates what a real-world attacker would do.
And that's the punchline. A bug report only gets created if a flaw makes it through both stages. It has to be detectable and it has to be exploitable. It's this simple two-step logic that filters out all that noise and gives developers a list of real, actual problems they can focus on and fix.
And this isn't just a concept, by the way. It's already got some solid footing. The tool is stable for Go and Python, two of the biggest languages in the world, and there are a whole bunch more in beta. And the best part? Since it's open source, you just know that list is going to keep growing as more and more people from the community jump in to help out. So this really gets to OpenAnt's unique place in the whole cybersecurity world. See, this isn't trying to be another one of those billion-dollar enterprise tools. Its whole philosophy, its whole reason for being is just different. You can see the contrast laid out right here. A lot of the big AI platforms are these proprietary, enterprise-focused black boxes, right? You don't know what's going on inside. OpenAnt is the total opposite. It's built by the community, for the community. Its heart and soul is in the world of open source.
And the creators are super clear about this. They are not trying to go head-to-head with the big corporations. Their goal is to give power back to the volunteers and the small teams that maintain all these crucial open-source projects. The folks who are literally building the foundation of the internet, but who could never afford a six-figure security license.
Okay, so you might be thinking, this is cool for developers, but why should I care? Well, the impact of this is anything but niche. A project like OpenAnt is actually important for, pretty much everyone who uses the internet.
Seriously, just think about it for a second. The web browser you're using right now, the operating system on your phone, the servers that run your favorite websites and apps, almost all of it is built on a foundation of open source code. It's the invisible scaffolding that holds up our entire digital world. And that's really the bottom line here. When you give the guardians of that foundation better, more accessible tools to find and fix security holes, you're not just helping out a few developers, you're making the entire structure stronger. Securing the open source ecosystem is how we secure the internet for every last one of us.
And this last quote from the team, it just says it all, doesn't it? This isn't just a fancy bug-finding tool. We're living in a world where the bad guys also have powerful AI. This is about leveling the playing field and giving the defenders a real fighting chance to stay one step ahead.
Which leaves us with one final and kind of sobering thought. It's absolutely incredible that the white hats, the good guys, can build something this powerful out in the open for everyone to see. But it also forces you to ask a really tough question. If this is what they can build in the light, what are the black hats building in the shadows?